Alright guys, today I'm going to show you how to make one of my all-time favorite breakfast foods. It's carbonara. So here we go. Here's some ingredients that you're going to need. You're going to need some sort of pork product. I got bacon over here. Traditionally you'd use guanciale, but we're making carbonara and not carbonara. So you got that. You need a cheese. I got Parmesan over here. Generally this would be Pecorino Romano, but again we're making carbonara and not the fancy stuff. So you need some eggs, a pasta, spaghetti works, linguine works, fettuccine here today, a little olive oil, and salt, pepper. That's all you really need. Alright, so for prep, of course, because this is a pasta dish, you want to make sure you get your water started to boil. Make sure you put some fucking salt in there. And it's not to make it boil faster. You need to season the water so you can season your fucking pasta. So portion out the pasta there, water's starting to boil, and you want to cut up your bacon. I do like 2 strips per person, usually a good measurement there. You want to cut it up, put it in a cold pan, and then start to bring it up. Anything like bacon, something that's got a lot of fat in it, like maybe even duck, you want to start in a cold pan and then bring it up, because that helps you render out all the fat. You're going to want all that stuff. So yeah, so you got your bacon going. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to shred the cheese to make our cheese and egg mixture. And if you see, there's no fucking cream here because you don't use fucking cream for fucking carbonara, and if you do, you're a dirty commie. Alright, so the eggs, the cheese, this is the shredded up cheese with a bunch of cracked black pepper, you know. You want to do that to your cheese after you shred it. So the eggs, you got 2 whole eggs and 2 yolks. The reason why you do that is that's what gives it its all creamy texture and stuff. So you want to combine these together, and then you're gonna mix this shit up. Alright, our bacon's going nicely, water's boiled, so we're gonna go ahead and throw our pasta in there. And trick for when you're making pasta, boiling pasta, whatever, is for the first minute you're gonna, you know, stir it around for the first minute. This is what helps to not let it stick. Don't put fucking oil in there. That's just gonna make whatever sauce you're making just slip off. So don't put oil, you just need the salt in there to season it, and you're just gonna put the pasta in, you're gonna stir for the first minute or so until it comes back up to a boil so it doesn't stick. This is how you do that. Alright, so our bacon's going good, we got our egg mixture and our pasta's going. If you're wondering how long you should be, you know, cooking your pasta for, is you gotta look at the box, see what the recommended time is, and then you gotta go like 1 minute less than what it's recommending. Why are you doing that? It's because you're gonna end up finishing cooking the pasta with all the rest of the stuff and the sauce, and you want that pasta to be al dente. Not al Pacino, but al dente. Alright, so here's another tip. About 5 or 6 minutes into cooking your pasta, you'll notice that the water's gotten a little cloudy and all that stuff. What that is, that's gold right there. That's pasta gold. It's the pasta water, and what you're gonna do is you're gonna save just a little bit of that pasta water to use later on if you need it. You know, that thing comes real handy if you're making stuff like cacio e pepe or pasta ioia. But yeah, say when we get down to the saucing part and the sauce feels a little thin, that pasta water is gonna save you. So yeah, save a little bit of that pasta water. Alright, pasta's drained. I got my bacon back in the pan with the heat off. I've got a little bit of olive oil in there for flavor. And then you're going to just take that pasta right in there. Just go. Give that a nice mix around. You're going to hear some noise. You're going to hear some sizzle. That's alright. There's still heat in the pan, and you're going to need that heat for when we put the egg mixture in. Alright, get your egg mixture in there, and you're going to just stir rigorously. Just keep on stirring, stirring, and stirring until it just becomes a sauce. Fucking look at this. Look how beautiful this is. Look, no cream. It was just eggs, cheese, and that's fine. Look, it's It's all creamy and shit. That's how you fucking do it, all right? So you want to check for, salt, pepper, taste for seasoning before you serve it. But bacon is generally salty enough to where you're not gonna really need any, any more salt or anything. But yeah, let's go ahead and start plating this fucking thing up, kid. Alright, then you top it up with a little more Parmesan cheese, maybe a little more black pepper, and then there you go. That is carbonara. Fucking A, it's delicious. I make it pretty much every week, well, every weekend, and it's a fucking fantastic breakfast food. Bacon, eggs, cheese, pasta. How can you go wrong? Guys, give it a shot. Hopefully you have fun with it and enjoy it.